Wake up, pray, and I'm on my grind today. Ain't got no time to waste, every breath's a blessing, yeah. Wake up, pray, and I'm on my grind today. And I'm on my grind today, day.
Wake up every morning at 3 a.m. Cause that's when I start my grind in. And I got no time for slumbering and chit chat talk with the fake friends. I know where I'm going, I'm on a mission. Living in reality, not fiction. Get it done, that's how you win. Look in the mirror, it's self-discipline. Big, overwhelming, optimistic momentum. A lot of syllables, yet I fit them. Gotta put in the work if you want to win them. Start with the goal and build momentum. Lots of plates, but you got to spin them. Gotta go fast, gotta build that rhythm. Purge and move, overcome that friction. Gotta sell stuff while you build those systems. Oh, and it's tough enough. Before you get backstabbed, you build that trust. Take time off and things will rust. Make the fight the wrong guy dangerous. And there ain't no just us, there is just us. Like Matthew 5:10 did promise us. Entrepreneurship, and that's what's up. That's what's up. If you wanna go a new flow, wanna achieve something big, something remarkable. You gotta work for it, you gotta seed sow it. We all got obstacles, we gotta run through it.
Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Wake up, pray, and I'm on my grind. Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Gotta put it in drive. I'm on my grind. If I got a mission, can't waste time. If I got a vision, line by line, write it down, then go to town. Get it done, then send it out. Reach the world and change it. Make sure while you work, you stay patient. When it's tough times, just face them. When the stuff rhymes, don't erase them. Competition fast paced in the rear view. Don't look back, eyes front, keep a clear view. Stay diligent and they won't get near you. Keep it moving and you're gonna outpace them. Race them, run, when it's fun. Collaboration is a blessing when you can do. Keep that muscle working and they can't strong man you. Fear God, don't need man to understand you. Speak intelligent and they can't strong man you. You got a plan, remember God's got a plan too. Seek his voice before you make the next move. And it's gonna go well with you. Keep your cool, there's gonna be tests. Do God's will, trust him with the rest. Ain't no telling what's gonna come with it. Fear God, trust God, and have fun with it. Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Wake up, pray, and I'm on my grind. Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Gotta put it in drive. I'm on my grind.
A goal is a dream with the deadline. Gotta write it down before you refine. Hard to get it done without the mastermind. Hard to get it done if you quail like a mime. Gotta speak up, gotta put in the time. Gotta stay focused or drifting fine. Default settings in an evil mind. Out on his feet to the devil's mind. Gotta keep it going, gotta stay in line. Work 6 days like the Bible writes. Rest on the 7th of the Sabbath night. Work 6 days on the 7th you will find. The Bible is a great way to renew the mind. Gotta stay focused on the point of the ride. Before every fall comes to pride. At the further gates don't want to be denied. Heaven or hell, man, we can decide. Narrow is the way that these two divide.
Narrow the way to
backside a little bit.
Got to self-correct, get rid of it. Habits form legitimate if we're Bible illiterate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, a spit of it. I'm on my grind a little bit. Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Wake up, pray, and I'm on my grind. Ooh, I'm on my grind, yeah. I'm on my grind, yeah. Can't waste no time. Gotta put it in drive. I'm on my grind.
I've been personally buying precious metals, and I encourage everybody out there, if you haven't done that, I've been doing that since 2005, so you got to buy precious metals.
Good morning. Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad Radio Show. Today I'm broadcasting from Phoenix, Arizona, not Scottsdale, Arizona. They're close, but they're completely different worlds. And we have a special guest today. Definition of intelligence is if you agree with me, you're intelligent. And so this gentleman is very intelligent. I've done this show before also, but very seldom do you find somebody who lines up on all counts. And it's a Mr. Clay Clark. He's a friend of a good friend, Eric Trump.
But first off, I have to honor you, sir. I want to show you what I did to one of your books here. There's a guy by the name of Jeremy Thorne, who was my boss at the time. I was 19 years old, working at Faith Highway. I had a job at Applebee's, Target, and DirecTV. And he said, "Have you read this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad?" And I said, "No." And my father, may he rest in peace, he didn't know these financial principles. So I started reading all of your books and really devouring your books. And I went from being an employee to self-employed to the business owner to the investor. And I owe a lot of that to you. And I just wanted to take a moment to tell you thank you so much for allowing me to achieve success. And then I'll tell you all about Eric Trump. But I just want to tell you thank you, sir, for changing my life.
But not only that, Clay, thank you, but you become an influencer. More than anything else, you've evolved into an influencer where your word has more and more power. So that's why I congratulate you on becoming. Because as you know, there's a lot of fake influencers out there too, or bad influencers.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm glad you and I agree so much, and thanks for reading my books.
Yeah.
That's the greatest thrill for me today. Not a thrill, but recognition is when people, young men especially, come up and say, I read your book, changed my life. I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing this.